This multi-purpose space from Wellborn Cabinet takes a mudroom and combines it with a gardening and potting station, a pet room, and a laundry area. Wellborn Cabinet's shaker-style Hanover door is finished in our brand new ash stain that shows the detail of the wood grain while featuring a mid-tone trending gray. This space pulls out all the stops to make mealtime for your pet simple and convenient. This pet feeding center holds pet food and accessories. A convenient toe kick feeder slides out to reveal a space for your pet to eat and drink. With a simple push, it slides back under the cabinet, making this space neat and clean again. For more information on this and other Wellborn products, please visit our website at www.wellborn.com.